Now my guy, how come your things know the break? How you they manage your house?
Simple. Ayuda. It's an app. You just click and they send you trusted artisans and professionals for all your emergency fixes at home and in an office.
Boss, everything is working now.
Oh, okay.
You just saw one of their guys. I mean, not the one that will do I'll come tomorrow and come next week. Me, as if the chill where Ayuda they sort me.
Good morning, sir. I get your request. I see your AC they do skrekpa. The blender they cry. And the fan there, they sleep. That's why I came here to bring peace into your house, eh?